Hello, you're welcome to my channel. It is your girl Precious RGK. I hope everything is fine with you and your family. I hope you're having a nice time. Let us thank God for another beautiful day and His numerous blessings in our life. Guys, today I'll be teaching you an effective hair recipe that never fails when it comes to having a growing hair and ending hair breakage. Guys, this recipe is super duper effective and result is visible in less than 1 week. Yes, in less than 1 week. To make this recipe, you only need 2 ingredients. You need your 1 medium ball of onion and you also need your blue sea Vaseline. Please always check if your blue sea Vaseline is original and also check the expiring date of your blue sea Vaseline. To start preparing this onion hair boosting juice, you wash your onion to get rid of germs and dirt. Then you peel your onions and chop into tiny pieces. Please, if you are using a manual grater, you don't have to chop into tiny pieces. You just peel your onions and you grate with your manual grater. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using an electrical blender. So I will peel my onions. I'll peel the first layer of my onions, and after peeling my onions, I will go ahead and cut my onions into tiny pieces. I will chop it into tiny pieces to facilitate easy blending and also for me to have a smooth blending. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video, for it means so much to your girl here. Always know that your girl is super grateful to you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I am very grateful. May God bless you. When you're through slicing your onions, you place them in your electrical blender and blend smoothly, just as you can see me doing on this video. This recipe is very effective. Your hair will grow like never before. You will never experience hair breakage and your scalp will be so wonderful. After blending, please make sure to filter your juice from your onions. I always make emphasis at sieving your hair product because if you apply them directly without sieving, guys, removing those particles is not usually funny. I got a message from one of my subscribers and she told me that she just blend her onions and after blend she add the Vaseline and she applied it like that on her hair and it was not easy removing the particle. Please guys, don't even try that. Always take the time to sieve your onions juice, to sieve all your hair product before applying them on your hair, on your scalp, because it is not easy to remove the particle from your hair. You can see as I'm sieving my own, I always take extra time to sieve my hair product before adding them to my hair. See the particle of my onions. Imagine all of this particle on your hair, guys. What will you do? It is so. Please always sieve. When you choose separating your onion juice, you then pour your boiled water in your bowl, just as you can see me doing on this video. Then you place your container of onion juice in the bowl of hot water and measure 1 teaspoon of blue sea Vaseline and mix together with your onion juice by continuously stirring the mixture until the blue sea Vaseline completely melts. When you're through with the whole process, you apply this mixture in your scalp and from the roots to the tip of your hair, and your hair will glow. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share this video. I promise to always reply to all your comments. Your girl is super grateful. Thank you so much and God bless you.